Hi, I'm teacher Tira. Today I'm going to talk to you about what we should do after learning phonics. It's simple. Your aim next should be learning vocabulary. How can you learn vocabulary faster? You need to play around the sounds. The beginning, middle, and ending sounds. Before we learn to read, we have to understand that words are made up of phonemes, which is the sounds of words. For example, the word cats. The beginning of the words k. The medial sound is a. The ending sound is t. But before we learn, we have to warm up. Okay, how to warm up? Without warm up our finger, because we are going to use our finger. Are you ready? One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the warm. Curl, curl, curl. Two finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the rabbit. Jump, jump, jump. Three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the butterfly. Fly, fly, fly. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the cat. Meow, meow, meow. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the tiger. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Now, let's do faster. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the worm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Two finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the rabbit. Jump, jump. Three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the butterfly. Fly, fly, fly. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the meow. Meow, meow, meow. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the roar. Roar, roar, roar. How is it? Is it nice? When you learn with me, we are going to learn three finger rule. Are you remember or not? Three finger rule. Initial, medial, and ending sounds. For example, word cat. K, a, t. K is initial sounds. A is medial sounds. T is what? Ending sounds. Good job. Let's learn medial sounds. Remember, if you learn three sounds, initial, medial, and ending, we have to use method three finger rules. When teacher Tira teach you, you have to remember three finger rule. Initial sounds, medial sounds, and ending sounds. Remember, for example, words is sun. Okay, sun. S, a, n. S is initial sounds. A is medial sounds. N is ending sounds. Okay, which one is medial sounds? Show me which one is medial sounds. Is it or s? Okay, the answer is a. A is medial sounds. Okay, another example words is bun. Bun, b, a, n. Which one is medial sounds? B is initial sounds. A is medial sounds. N is ending sound. Which one is medial sounds? Yes, correct. The answer is A sounds is medial sounds. Okay, another example. Which words we are gonna use? Hand. Hand. K. Hand. H. A. Hand. Which one is medial sounds? The blue color or the red color or green color? Which one is medial sounds? Yes, the answer is blue one. Medial sounds A. Remember, if you learn three sounds, initial, medial, and ending, we have to use method 3-finger rules. When a teacher teach you, you have to remember 3-finger rule. Initial sounds, medial sounds, and ending sounds. Remember? Okay. After learning initial, medial, and ending sounds, let's do a quiz time. Oh no, it's quiz time. Yes, quiz time. Okay, let's do medial quiz. Click the correct letter to complete each sentence. What is this? This is what? But. This is but. B. T. What is medial sounds? What is medial sounds of but? Is it a or is it a or a? If you answer the a, let me see, is the correct or wrong answer? Oh no, the answer is wrong. Let's try again. Okay, if the answer a is wrong, so the answer is A. Congrats, the answer is correct. Okay, another quiz. Okay, next quiz. Click the correct letter to complete each sentence. In the picture, you saw children is sad. Sad word. Remember 3-finger rule. Sad. S, a, t. Which one of the answer is a? Is it O or A? If the answer is A, click the A. If the answer is O, click O. The answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. Congrats. Next question. Click the correct letter to complete each sentence. In this picture, this is going to show net. N, A, and T. Which the answer is sounds A. Is it A or O? Correct. The answer is A. Next question. Click the correct letter to complete each sentence. In this picture, what do you see? Is it fox? Fox. How to spell fox? O, X. Fox. Which the answer is it A or O? Correct, the answer is O, fox. Next questions. Click the correct letter to complete each sentence. In these pictures, what do you see? Is it box? How to spell box? B, O, X. In three finger rules, B, O, X. Which one is medial sounds? Click the medial sounds. Is it O or E? Is the answer is E? Oh no, the answer is wrong. Let's try again. If the answer O, is it the correct answer? Yes, it's the correct answer. Congrats. Okay, into the closer, we have ended quiz time. So let's sing. Are you ready to sing? Yes, let's go. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the one. Curl, curl, curl. Two finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the rabbit. Jump, jump, jump. Three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the butterfly. Fly, fly, fly. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the cat. Meow, meow, meow. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to the tiger. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Hope you like my new video. See you next time.